All right, boys and girls, so my time ran out right as I was partitioning this shape into 6 equal pieces. So I had to adjust a little bit when I looked at it. The pieces were not equal, so I wanted to make sure that I had the lines in the correct place. And if you look at it now, each piece is about the same size. These are each 1/6 pieces. Now let's try the parallelogram here. And this is, they want us to put it in a half. And there's a couple different ways you can split this to make it a half. But I find the easiest way is corner to corner, and it makes 2 triangles. And if you folded them, they would be the same size. So that would make a half. Oops, I don't want to move that. Go back. Or you can do other corner, this corner to this corner, and also split it in half that way. All right. Next one is a rectangle, and it wants to be, they want you to split this into 8ths. So I'm going to split it in half about there. And then I'm going to split it in half again. And since this is an even number, it helps because I have 4 pieces now. And now I only need to do there and there. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces about the same size. You remember sometimes it's a little tricky to make them exactly, but they're equal pieces. Each piece is an 1/8 of this whole. There's other ways you can split this into 8ths too. So whichever way is easier for you, that's fine. Just making sure that they're equal pieces. All right, so going back to our essential question, how can you divide figures into parts with equal areas and write the area as a unit fraction of the whole? You guys should now know how to do this. You guys looked at dividing the hexagon into 4 equal parts, and this is actually when I showed you which was not equal, so I'm gonna move that back, make those equal. I gotta kind of adjust that line. Equal pieces. And then we talked about writing fraction names for each part. So each part is 1/4 of the whole. The area, we talked about counting the area in square units. We divided the rectangle using the formula base times height. And we also wrote the area and divided the parts using base times heights and counting the unit squares. And then lastly, we divided more shapes into equal parts. Please let me know or let your teacher know if you have any more questions on partitioning shapes. Bye.